Stunning home tucked into a quiet cul-de-sac with a potential detached home office. Close to all of the amenities Mechanicsville has to offer. Lots of bang for your buck, all vinyl replacement windows, back windows and doors done in the last 2 years, new flooring in the kitchen and utility room, all bathrooms have been remodeled, new dishwasher and microwave, plus more. Large and bright eat-in kitchen with granite countertops, stainless appliances, pantry, skylight, and French doors to the back deck. All appliances convey. The oversized living room has stunning hardwood floors, a gas fireplace, and French doors to the back deck as well. The beautiful dining room has custom trim and plenty of room for a large table. Upstairs features a large primary bedroom with attached bath and walk-in closet. The 2 additional bedrooms are both spacious. The backyard is an outdoor playground for all. Large deck runs the full length of the house and has built-in seating. The detached shed has electricity and insulation and was previously used as a home office.